Sometimes our mobile providers put a cap on the amount of mobile data usage. Today we will show you how to save money by making a photo smaller before sending it in a text message. To complete this tutorial, you need to use the Photo and Picture Resizer app. Select the image you want to resize. Tap Resize. Now choose the file size you want from the list. You can also create your own custom size. Let's choose 200 kilobytes. As you can see, this app can quickly resize all the photos you need. If you want to start using the app right away, then follow the link in the description. That's it! We hope you found this tutorial useful. You can also subscribe to our channel or watch the other tutorial about how to crop a photo to an Instagram square format in our app.